Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Roblox Doors Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Roblox Doors Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So the first thing we're going to do is let's line up the corners of our paper and give it a nice fold. This way we create a sort of birthday card look. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners again, give it a nice fold, and this time I create kind of like a bookmark. Now when you open it up, we have these nice little guidelines in here that show us where we need to keep the inside of our drawing. And I always like to turn my drawing this way so that I can open it up. Now to start off with this, I'm going to create the character Screech on here first. So to start off with this, I'm just going to create a nice big circle shape on top, and then half of one, and then a half a circle shape on the bottom. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make half of a circle shape, or like a big sad face, right on the top. And then down here, I'm just going to make a big smiley face, just to make our circle shape. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle either. Now, right up here at the top, I'm going to make the eyes. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to draw an oval shape for one of the eyes of Screech. And then I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to make another one right over here for the other eye of Screech. And then right underneath there, I like to make a little curved line right inside of each one. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some of like the goo that kind of comes down from Screech. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by just making some kind of wavy, long, kind of curvy lines like this, and then I'm going to bring it really close to the edge and come down. Next, I'm going to jump over the fold, and I'm going to do the same thing, make it a little bumpy and wavy so it looks kind of gooey, and we're going to bring it right up to the top. Now, starting up here, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come over. I'm going to go straight across here, and we're going to come right to here, and then I'm going to bring this down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve it around, and then bring it right up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw some lines that just go down here. We'll make another one here. And I'll make one more right here for some of the teeth on Screech. Then right here, I'm going to make some lines that curve up, and then they're going to go down and up. And this is going to make like the gums on there. I'll do that same thing here. We'll just kind of go up and down, and then we'll just go up and down, and we'll do a one here, and then one right over here. Now we want to add the tentacles on Screech. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve it around, and then bring it down. Same thing over here. I'm going to bring this up and out. We're going to come to a rounded point and bring it down. You can see it's a little bit skinnier on top and a little fatter towards the bottom. I'm going to draw another one here. We're just going to go out, make it kind of rounded, and then bring it down. Same thing out here. We're going to bring this out, make it rounded and skinny, and then fatter as it comes down. Down here, I'm going to go down, I'm going to come out, and then bring it up here. And then over here, I'm going to go down, bring it out, and then curve it into here. And then I'm just going to make a little curved line right here underneath the mouth. Now, Once I have this, I'm going to open it up and start drawing some of the fun characters on the inside. Now, once we have it opened up, we have two halves of our Shriek. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down some of these lines. So I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. I'll bring this line down a little bit, and this line down. I'll do the same thing over here. We'll start off with the far line, then the middle line, and then this line right here. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to bring these three lines up, and then same thing here. Bring these three lines up. Now, I want to finish off his teeth first. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come over and then up. And I'm going to repeat this. We're just going to go down, over, and up. We're just going to go down, over, and up. And one more. Down, over, and then up a little bit. We'll do the same thing over here. We'll just bring this over and down. We'll go up, over, and down. Go up, over, and down. And then up, over, and down right there for the teeth. Now we want to start putting some of the different fun Doors characters in here. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with Ambush. So to start off with Ambush, I'm going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to draw a big oval shape right here. And then I'm going to make another kind of oval shape with a little bit of a flatter top over here. So they're a little different. Next, I'm going to make our line that's going to go down, and that's going to come back up like this for a mouth. And then I'm going to make a nice little smiley face shape right here. Right above this, I'm going to go up. I'm going to come over and then bring it down. And then right here, we're going to go out and then in for one side of the mouth. And same thing here, out and then in. Then I'll make a little curved line underneath each eye. And we'll make a little line above each eye there. Now, over here, the next one I want to do is I want to make Halt, and I'm going to put Halt right over here. So to start off with Halt, I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve it around and bring it down to here. Next, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines in between the eyes and on the sides of the eyes. And then I'm going to make a few little broken lines kind of coming up here. And I'll draw a little line down here. Now, over here, I'm going to draw Jack. Now, to start off with Jack, we're just going to make a rounded shape for the top of the head. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then up to here. Now, starting here for the eye, let's make a big sad face and then a big happy face for the eye. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to come up and down a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this up into a smile. And then I'm going to bring this back down and up. Then I'm going to put some teeth in here. So I'm just going to make some little kind of square rounded shapes for some teeth, just on the top. I'll put a little broken line around the top and the bottom. and a little curved line there by the nose. Then I'm going to make a long line here. I'll make a couple little curved lines here, and then a line that comes down. Now, up here towards the top, I'm going to draw eyes. So to start off with eyes, I'm going to begin by making a sad face like this for the top. And then I'm going to bring this down. We'll go right to here. And I'm going to curve this down right to here. Now, inside of here, we're just going to put a bunch of eyes. So we're going to make a bunch of different size football shapes. So I'll make a couple big ones to start off. I'll do one there. And then I'll do one up here. Next, I'll make a little smaller one right here. And then another smaller one up here. Now we want to start filling these in with some really small ones, different size ones all around here, just to kind of fill in everything. You want to try not to let these touch, but we're just going to kind of fill these in as much as we can with some different size eyes in here. I'll put one more little one right there. Then inside of here, we're going to just add a long skinny oval inside of each one for the pupil. So I'll make these little long skinny ones inside each eye. So we're just going to go ahead and put one right inside of there. Now our next step is to kind of make these little kind of tentacles around there. So I'm just going to make some little kind of wavy tentacle shapes coming all around here. And I'll make these kind of go right up towards the teeth. And we'll just bring these all around here. Now we're just going to do two more characters. Now over here, I'm going to add the figure in here. Now, to add the figure, I'm going to begin by making a circle shape right here. And then we'll connect the circle shape down to here. And I'll leave a little space open at the bottom. I want to make two little curved lines here. And then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down to a point and then back. And I'll make a little line that comes down. And a little line right in here. Next, we're going to make the big mouth in here. So I'm just going to draw a big circle shape. I want to make a little line across the top and a little line across the bottom. Next, let's add the teeth. Let's make a big, sharp, pointy V shape right there. And then we're going to add some more all around here. So we're just going to make some big, pointed teeth all around here. Next, over here, we're going to put Seek. Now, to start off with Seek, I'm just going to begin by making a big circle shape right here. I'm going to add a little curved line here and a little curved line here. Make a line that's going to come down here. And a line that's going to come right down here. Next, I'm going to make a big sad face here for the top of the eye. And then a big happy face here. I'll make an oval shape here with a smaller circle at the top. And then I'll make a little curved line above each one and below. Now, the next thing we have to do is we got to connect some of these lines. So I'm going to bring this line down and then this line down. And then I'm also going to bring this line down, and we're going to jump over everything that we need to until we come to here. We'll bring this line up, and then this line up. Same thing here, we'll bring this line down, all the way to here. We'll bring this line down, all the way to here. And then we're going to bring this line down. We got to jump over some of these little lines and then bring it right to here. And there you go. There is your Roblox Doors Surprise Fold. So when we have it all closed up, we just have a simple looking little figure. But then when we open it up, they are all inside up there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.